Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start condo insurance with Allstate, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching the coverage options available for condo insurance with Allstate. Visit the official Allstate website to get detailed information. Locate the section dedicated to condo or renters insurance. Review the different types of coverage they offer, such as personal property and liability protection. Consider your needs and what belongings you want to insure. Calculate the value of your personal property to determine how much coverage you may need. Use the online calculator provided by Allstate for an accurate estimate. After assessing your needs, gather necessary personal information. Have details such as your address, the size of your condo, and any security features ready. Reach out to an Allstate agent for personalized assistance. You can do this by calling their customer service line or using the online chat feature. Discuss your coverage needs with the agent. Ask any questions you may have about policies, claims processes, and discounts. Request a quote based on your specific requirements. Review the quote carefully, ensuring that all the details align with your expectations. Consider the various deductibles and how they affect your premium. After finalizing your decision, proceed to get the policy. You can do this online, over the phone, or in person at an Allstate office. Fill out the application form with the required information. Verify that all information is accurate to avoid any issues later. Submit your application and await confirmation from Allstate. Once approved, you will receive your policy documents via email or mail. Carefully review the policy to understand coverage limits and exclusions. Make sure to keep a copy of your policy in a safe place. Lastly, remember to review your coverage annually or whenever your living situation changes. Stay informed about any updates to Allstate's policies or offerings that might benefit you. That's it. You are now set to protect your condo with Allstate Insurance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.